sleep on the trades when they're wide open for ownership. Most think it's just a job, but I saw a blueprint for ownership hiding in plain sight. I'm still in HVAC school, but every day I train, I'm stacking skills that lead to ownership, not just a paycheck, not just a position, a business, a brand, a legacy. College felt like a theory, the trades feel like action, and I'm documenting every step so you can see what it really takes to start from zero. I'm still in school, still grinding, but I'm documenting every rep so you can see what it really takes to break into the trades. No hype, no shortcuts. If you're serious about building something real, follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube. The link's in my bio. I'm showing the full process.